Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Viviana Diaz, and I'm from Argentina. And I'm going to show you how to record a video tutorial from the editor video tutorial. So this is the home page, and we are going to week 1 task. I scroll down in order to find the task given to us, which is this one, recording from the editor video tutorial. Here we are. I'm going to click on this and a new section will be opened. There we are. So in this section we have to add a new, click on this part, add a new discussion topic, and after that we are here. These 2 fields are important, are required, so you have to complete it. For example, I'm going to write the name of this tutorial, which is, I don't know which number of my, sorry, here, I can't see very well. My second try, yes, and I'm going to give you a better name. My video tutorial. That's right. So here we are. Let's go to this message section, and I want to add a video recording. So I click on this icon and I will start recording. I'm going to allow the microphone and the camera, and then I will be able to be recorded. Here I am. Okay, my name is Viviana Diaz and I will record everything I want. I'm going to be very short in this. Okay, after recording ourselves, we can listen to what we have said, and if we are satisfied with it, then we can attach the recording, or we can record again. So I think here we have to wait a little longer because I think band connection is not very well, so the uploading is quite slow here. We are just on 13%. So sorry you have to wait, but it will be like that. There you have 17, 18. If you have, I want to tell you something. This is the free version of Screencast-O-Matic, but I could realize after reading that if you have the Pro Screencast-O-Matic or the Pro Recording, you can edit this video in order to make it shorter. So this part you can edit and cut it down. So we are now half completed. So sorry to keep you waiting. I have this, I'm recording this with the free version of the Screencast-O-Matic application, software, sorry. There we are. Okay, we are moving. So we are almost there. I hope you are still with me. And we are about to finish. You have to be patient as I am now. Okay. You can do anything while you wait and be at. Okay. There we are. Almost there. 96%. Okay, it's just completed. And there we have the recorded video is shown in the message section and there, over there. If you want to add the text or an image, insert an image or any other thing or a voice recording, then you can click on this and it's the same procedure. Once you have finished and once you are satisfied with your recording, because you can click here and see if it is correct, then you scroll down up to scroll down up to post to forum. Once there, you click on this and that video is posted into, here we are. There, my video tutorial. So it appears here that your post was successfully added, and that's it. Bye for now.